Hello viewers, I am Ron. Welcome to my channel PSC Exam Prep. Today we are going to discuss 20 GK for civics. Well, before getting to it, please do subscribe to my channel. Well, moving on to the first question. The first question is the first Chief Information Commissioner of India. The answer is Wajahat Habibullah. I repeat the answer. The answer is Wajahat Habibullah. The next question. Who is the chairperson of the committee that recommends persons for appointment as Chief Information Commissioner and members of the Central Information Commission? The answer is Prime Minister. Next question is the seat of the Central Information Commission. It's asking the place. The answer is New Delhi. Next question. An authority constituted for investigating allegations of corruption against public servants at the state level. The answer is Lokayukta. I repeat the answer. The answer is Lokayukta. The next question is, in case of resignation, to whom Lokayukta submits a letter of resignation? The answer is the governor. The answer is governor. Next question. The first woman to become Chief Information Commissioner in India. The answer is Deepak Sandhu. Deepak Sandhu. Well, moving on to the next question. The second woman to become Chief Information Commissioner in India. The answer is Sushma Singh. I repeat the answer. The answer is Sushma Singh. Moving on to the next question. Who has the power to remove Lokayukta and Upalokayukta from their position? The answer is State Legislative. I repeat the answer. The State Legislative. Moving on to the next question. The first to establish Lokayukta. The question is the first state to establish Lokayukta. The answer is Maharashtra. I repeat the answer. The answer is Maharashtra. Well, going on to the next question. The president is the executive head of the state. From which country India copied this idea? It's a simple question. The answer is USA. That is the United States of America. Moving on to the next question. Under which article of the Constitution the executive power of the Union is vested in the President? The article is 53. The answer is Article 53. Moving on to the next question. Which article is related to the separation of the judiciary from the executive? The answer is Article 50. I repeat the answer. The answer is Article 50. It separates judiciary from executive. Next question. With whom the executive powers of the Union of India are vested? I repeat the question. With whom the executive powers of the Union of India are vested? The answer is President. I repeat the answer. The answer is President. Moving on to the next question. The idea of independence of judiciary in the Indian Constitution has been copied from. The answer is United States of America. USA in short. Well, next question. The existence of an independent and impartial judiciary is an essential prerequisite of a dash form of government. The answer is federal. It's a federal form of government. Next question. What makes the judiciary the guardian of the Constitution? I repeat, what makes the judiciary the guardian of the Constitution? The answer is judicial review. I repeat the answer. The answer is judicial review. Moving on to the next question. The second chamber of the state legislature is known as the Legislative Council. The answer is Legislative Council. Moving on. Through which act the Indian legislature was made bicameral for the first time? The answer is Government of India Act 1919. That is 1919. Government of India Act 1919. Next question. Which schedule of the Constitution distributes powers between the state legislature and Panchayat? The answer is 11th schedule. I repeat the answer. The answer is 11th schedule of the Constitution. Moving on to the next question. This is the final question. The minimum age required to contest in the election to the Legislative Assembly. The Legislative Assembly, the minimum age is 25 years. Well, I hope you like this video. That's all for now. So if you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.